Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G10. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app. As you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and right here we've got to tap on this blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's select loyalty. Now select shop, for example Decathlon Group Poland, and scan your card. You can also enter details manually. Tap save, and it's done. Now let's go to gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap save. And the last way is transit. If you are unable to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.